For the first time ever, the Grande Open House Weekend will be a statewide event on October 3rd and 4th. All New Mexico Home Search associations and MLS members will be participating. There is no cost to participate, and the event will be promoted to consumers all across the state. Realtors will be opening the doors to hundreds of their best properties for in-person and virtual tours all throughout New Mexico. To participate, enter your open house details into Flex MLS by Friday, October 2nd. Claim your free profile at NewMexicoHomeSearch.com and click Agent Login at the top right of your screen. Utilize the Open House Weekend Toolkit and promote the event on your website and social media. Stop by GAR on Monday, September 28th through Friday, October 2nd to pick up yard signs, balloons, and printed materials for your open houses. Please reuse yard signs from previous years. One weekend, statewide, hundreds of homes. Visit gar.com for more information.